at you another cryptocurrency video. We have a video that you don't want to miss today. There's been something in the market that's been exploding. It's been getting a lot of people excited. What is that something? That's Chainlink. Current time that's recording, Chainlink's coming in at $17.75. Down a little bit over the past hour, but look over the past week, we're up 25%, $10.3 billion market capitalization. So we're going to analyze Chainlink before this video is out. So make sure you watch this to the end. Before we get to any of that, looking at the total crypto market capitalization, we see that we are just still stair-stepping our way to the upside. $483 billion market capitalization. How high can we be going? Where is the technical target? Where we could be heading to? The next level of maybe potential resistance, 637%. Looking back left at the charts, you can see that here. And right now, we're sort of getting a little bit of traffic right here. But once we break through this level, it'll be up to that next level, about the mid $650 billion mark. So talking about Bitcoin quickly, Stock Money Lizards is weighing in. 49K is the last line of defense. We expect it to fall around the halving. Great times ahead. So look here, looking at 2014 to 2017, that 0.618 fib, we come up to that and smack through it and get rejected. But then once we get up through it, then it's off to the races. That's 2014 to 2017. Look where you are right now, that 0.618 fib, like right here, boom, hit our head, we get rejected. And when are we going to come back up and break through it and be off to the races to see new all-time highs? That's what's around the corner. Another update, Stock Money Lizards is talking about Chainlink. He mentioned this 2 weeks ago, something was brewing. Now we have a breakout on the range of the ABC correction. This is very bullish. Current time is recording. We told you that Chainlink was almost $18, but you see that this is just like a expanding wedge pattern that looks like it could be somewhat of a bull flag as well. And this chart looks extremely bullish as you see the straight line up, consolidation, straight line up, consolidation, another straight line up. How high can Chainlink go? We're looking at the charts and we're going to be analyzing this for you end to end, all considerations. So looking at the extension levels, we pulled this from the low to the high and we came up above the 1.618, and right now the Gaussian channel has flipped green. This is on the weekly chart. Zooming into the price action, what do we see? We see that this is a bullish cross. The 20's crossing the 200, and we're just consolidating right now, waiting for that next level up. How high can Chainlink go? Looking at Link Bitcoin comparative, what do we see? What do we anticipate? So looking at the extensions, we pull from the bottom to the previous peak. We've had this fourth leg pullback, and right now this also just flipped green. And right now you want to look at that 1.618 technical target. This box right here, draw a rectangle right here. This is the length of leg 1. This is the length of leg 5 up here. So this is anywhere fair game where Chainlink could be going for this next leg up. Now look at that 1.618 level does hit this range. So from where we are right now at the current time it's recording, and if we do come up and hit that range, what is that? That is roughly a 1,500% move. Crazy. So what does that mean? If you're trading with one Bitcoin, if you trade one Bitcoin in the Chainlink and Chainlink hits that target, that means that one turns into 16 for you. Massive, massive gains are in the works for Chainlink. So taking a little bit deeper, a closer look at this, current time is recording, we're at $17. Is it realistic to do a 16x against Bitcoin? Right now, $10.3 billion market capitalization. Looking at the Chainlink chart, this is the market cap. How high did Chainlink get last time? A $20.76 billion market capitalization. You see you have your 1, 2, 3, 4, and your fifth leg. You have an ABC correction. And right now this looks like it's just leg 1 potentially. And we're right now just stair-stepping our way back up towards that previous all-time high. Will we eclipse that? Yes, we will. But what do we have to see? Can Chainlink actually achieve a 15x against Bitcoin? Can this be achieved? We have to look at other charts and other comparatives to give you this analysis correctly. So look here, looking at the total crypto market capitalization. This is also bullish. As you see, the Gaussian channel on the weekly just flipped green, and the MACD has just gotten overbought territory. As you see, in a bull market, you can stay in overbought territory for quite some time until that blow up top. Now, if we connect these peaks from here, 2017 to 2021, and extend this to sometime in late 2024, early 2025, there's a $10 trillion target. Now, pulling from the bottom of this to the previous peak, we already hit that 1.618 level from the previous run up. So you see this is leg 1, 2, 3, 4, and right now this fifth leg's playing out. So how high can this fifth leg go? So look here, this fifth leg can go as high as about 17 trillion, but if we just extend this line, we could actually hit that $10 trillion threshold for the total crypto market capitalization. So remember that. There's a good chance we're going to see $10 trillion in the overall crypto market capitalization for this cycle peak. Could it go higher? Yes, but that is in the realm of possibility. Keep this in mind. So going back to Chainlink, what can Chainlink do? We're looking at the Chainlink market capitalization. And right now, we're at $10.1 billion. And as you see, we have leg 1, 2, 3, 4, and that fifth leg is getting ready to play out. That fifth leg is going to be as long as the first leg, but not as long as the third leg. First leg is denoted here, third leg is denoted here. So once again, let's get our rectangle out and see what range we're going to be in. Now, what do you notice by this box? We haven't hit that 1.618 level yet, and that level right now, it seems to be extremely achievable. So is that where Chainlink is going? Could it overshoot that? That's definitely in the realm of possibility. How much could Chainlink overshoot the 1.618? This is a technical target you got to pay attention to, but roughly right now, that is, if you just look at where it's at, around 90 billion. That's roughly a 9x from right now. So basically, if Bitcoin is a 3x from where it is right now, and Chainlink is a 9x, that means Chainlink will outperform Bitcoin by a factor of 3. So 1 will turn to 4 for you. So keep that in mind. That is being conservative and definitely in the realm of possibility. Now, if it gets extremely bullish and overshoots this, like, can Chainlink go up to, say, can do something crazy like 500 billion? Could Chainlink hit a $500 billion valuation? Well, we'll look at that. Let's look at the Chainlink dominance and see how high Chainlink could go. Now remember, we looked at the overall total crypto market capitalization and we said $10 trillion was in the realm of possibility. So look here, the dominance, all these charts look relatively the same. You have leg 1, pullback, leg 2, leg 3, pullback, leg 4, and then leg 5. So this is how this is going to play out. You see the 20 curling up and crossing over the 200. This looks bullish. The Gaussian channel just turned green on the weekly. This chart looks extremely bullish. Can Chainlink be a massive winner for anybody's portfolio this cycle? That can be in the realm of possibility. So look here. We pulled from the bottom of this to the previous peak to see where that 1.618 technical target could be. And the previous high was around 1.7%. So Chainlink making up some space, 5.73%. And once again, let's draw our box. For the technical target, this is leg 1. So it has to go at least as long as this and up to leg 3. So it's going to be somewhere in this range that this fifth leg is going to go to. The technical target, that 1.618, is right almost in the middle, 5.73%. So if you have $10 trillion and you have Chainlink hitting a 5.37% range as far as market dominance goes, you just take that 10 trillion and divide it by 0.0573, and that gives you $573 billion for Chainlink's market cap. So if we go back to the market cap here, you see it's only at 10 billion. So 10 divided by 573, that's a 56x from where it is right now. And that would still be within the realm of this box as well. Total crypto market capitalization, if it goes up here, it's within the range of, oh, we didn't draw a box for you right here. Let's draw this box really quick. So the top of the box is going to be roughly around here, and then that's going to go up to here. So $10 trillion is achievable. You know, hitting a 500 billion market capitalization is towards the upper end of this, but is it achievable? That could be in the cards. And looking at the Link Bitcoin comparative, 1,500% for that 1.618. That's outperforming Bitcoin, turning 1 to 16. That's an extreme appreciation. So once again, if Chainlink goes up to $570 billion market capitalization, that's based off this technical target here, hitting $10 trillion, then that means it's going to do, once again, a 56x from where it is right now. So looking back at the Chainlink price, where's that going to take the price to? So you do 56 times 17.81. That's $1,000 Chainlink. So can Chainlink hit $1,000 this cycle? Is that in the realm of possibility? Well, let's look here. 2.618 is $81, and then the 3.618 takes you up to $977. So could Chainlink blow past this 2.618 and get overextended and get close to that $1,000 threshold? Now, let's just say Bitcoin, being conservative, goes to $150,000 this cycle. That is on some extension levels, and there's a lot of people saying it pointing towards that target. So from where Bitcoin is right now, if we go back to CoinMarketCap, Bitcoin at the current time it's recording is 43,000. So you do 150,000 divided by 43,111, that's a 3.47. Let's round it up to 3.5. If Bitcoin's going to do a 3.5x from right here, and remember, we took Chainlink to get up to 570 billion based off of the dominance here, the dominance level for Chainlink. So 570 billion was roughly, just say, a 55x. So remember, if Chainlink does a 55x from here, then Bitcoin is going to do a 3.5x. So what's 55 divided by 3.5? This is going to be the increase against Bitcoin that Chainlink's going to do. So just pull out the calculator real quick. 55 divided by 3.5. Look at this, 15.71. So remember what we said? Do you remember? If Chainlink Bitcoin comparative hits this 1,500% gain against Bitcoin, 1 turns to 16. Well, what did we just do? We just showed you that this 1 would turn to 15.7 based on the 3.5x gain for Bitcoin and the 55x gain for Chainlink. Can Chainlink hit $1,000? It's not outside the realm of possibility. That would be around a $570 billion market capitalization. And as far as Bitcoin comparative, all the numbers make sense. So is that what's going to be in the cards for Chainlink? You be the judge. And with that, I'm Sean with the Bitcoin Bros. You guys like this content, go ahead and smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and show us some love. We appreciate the support. With that, that's all I have for you today, and I'm out.